A strip of snow is developed along or ahead of the leading edge of warmer air. It's not going to get that warm here, but it will get milder, especially south of the Pike for tomorrow afternoon. But first, we have to get through this strip of snow. So let's show you how it plays out. Here comes the snow from west to east late tonight. If you have plans over the next few hours, no problems. First flakes coming to Worcester around 11, Boston around 12 or 1. And then we'll have mostly light snow through the overnight into tomorrow morning. At first, when it snows, it's so cold, there'll be a little bit of a fluff factor. Not that there's a whole lot of moisture, but the snow will fluff up a little bit. So I see about 1 to 3 inches south of Boston and 2 to 4 inches north of Boston. It will be easy to move around, but again, untreated roads will be a little slippery early tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon turns a little milder, especially south, but still pretty chilly off to the north. All right, now the winter storm warning, that goes into effect Sunday, and that's for the second storm. Now the first storm is not really a storm, little wave of low pressure, God bless you, comes through early tonight. And then we get a little break, bless you again. Here comes the second storm, all right? Now this one starts affecting us Sunday, but look at this, look at it carefully. Look where the rain snow line is, very close to I-95 from Providence to Foxborough to Boston. That's the tough part of that storm. The other thing is, once it tries to exit, it's going to get so strong that the northwest winds on the backside late Sunday night and Monday will be very powerful, especially along the coast. So again, here's our quick shot of snow that may end as a bit of rain to the south, and then we get the second storm with that rain snow line very close to the I-95 area. In this case, it would end on Monday, but in any event, where it's mostly snow, the potential is there for 6 inches or more. But this area could go either way or go both ways, meaning snow, then rain, then maybe back to snow. Now, if the storm really intensifies in this position, we'll get snow with the wind on Monday as a backlash. But if it doesn't really happen till the Gulf of Maine, then we'll only have the wind on Monday. Eastern Mass is the area you got to watch for. The snow on Monday is a possibility, but the wind is going to be ferocious. All right, so all impact days for somewhat different reasons right through Monday. A little easier to take on Tuesday, and then by Wednesday or Thursday, we could be dealing with another system, not definite on that one. All right, I'll have updates for you later on tonight on MeTV at 10, of course, News Center 5 at 11. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.